welcome back to my channel. Today we're watching an amazing painting process by the artist, Felix K. In this tutorial, he brings a quiet moment to life. A wooden boat resting on calm water beneath a glowing sunset. You can see how he slowly builds the scene, starting with the warm sky, letting the oranges and purples melt into the horizon. The reflection on the water is handled with patience, keeping the surface calm and believable. As the painting develops, the boat and dock become the focus, adding depth, texture, and a sense of stillness to the scene. It's a peaceful composition, where light, water, and atmosphere work together beautifully. Please enjoy the process, and now you can watch how he did it.